before it.
Oh my goodness, so adorable. See you later. Oh my goodness. I'm Addy. And I'm Lovely. Today we are going to unbox the surprise balls.
We're gonna box the surprise balls.
Let's do it, guys.
I can open
Can you
it.
first read what is the toy?
It's a Sensory Toys
Is
box.
there other sticker?
Toys for 8 Sound Touch. Surprise box. 4X mystery toys. Sight, sound, and touch.
Cool.
I can now open it. First you have to take off.
Alright, this is over there. Wow, how did I do it?
Like this.
Yes, yes. See?
Oh, I want to do it. Oh, take off this. Can I take off it?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, I can't take off this. Why?
But you don't know. This is a
There's a prize box inside.
Is it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
What?
This is mine.
Good. Give us the grip.
This is mine.
What did you get?
I got a gum one. I got a worm and I got a ball.
Wow, that's nice.
I got a puppet too. This is a horse. Oh, it's a dog.
What did you get?
I didn't open it yet.
Whoa.
Open it?
Yeah.
It's a
Open
woman.
it?
Oh no. No legs. This is a star.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I don't break
I got
it.
so many surprises.
Whoa, it's a squishy one.
Squishy one.
It gets a lot of soup.
Then I'll take later. You can just see what's inside in this one first.
Do you want to help Lovely, Adric?
I can help Lowly. I can open this.
What did I
What's in
get?
there?
Look at this! This is gorgeous. Such gorgeous.
Yeah, you got this.
What is it, Adric? Can you read?
It says Power Rangers.
Oh, nice.
Ooh, you watched it this morning before it.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness, so adorable.
You watch this like this. Take off out pieces. Like this.
How are you gonna open it? Like this?
No, like this. You open it. Like this.
I can open it later on.
See, open like this. So
Oh, the
Ooh.
Power Ranger is inside the box.
I'm opening it.
Can you show me, Adric?
See? Let's get all this. Oh,
Ooh. That's dog food. Oh, look at this one.
whoa! You got low boys.
Well, can I open it?
Yeah.
Boys are bad because I have a squishy. Here you go, Kelly. Here's your Power Ranger.
Thank you, I think. Undone.
This is a squishy. Let's play Storm Maiden.
Oh my goodness.
Bye, friends.